What if $100 invested today could turn into thousands over time, without working extra hours? That's the power of the stock market, and most beginners completely miss it. Show stock chart rising fast plus money multiplying. The stock market is one of the easiest ways to build long-term wealth. But for beginners, it can feel confusing, risky, and overwhelming. In this video, learn stock market investing for beginners, step by step. From choosing your first stock to building a simple portfolio, everything is explained clearly. Watch till the end to understand how small investments can grow into serious wealth. Show text, Beginner Investing Blueprint. Section 1. What is the stock market? The stock market is where people buy and sell shares of companies. Show companies turning into stock icons. When a share is bought, a small piece of that company is owned. If the company grows, the investment grows. Simple. Section 2. Why people invest in stocks. Stocks are powerful for wealth building. Show comparison, saving versus investing. Reasons. Higher returns than savings accounts. Compounding growth over time. Passive income through dividends. Example. $500 per month invested can grow into hundreds of thousands over years. Show long-term growth chart. Section 3. How to start investing. Starting is easier than most think. Show mobile app opening investment account. Steps. Open a brokerage account. Deposit money. Choose investments. Platforms make this simple and beginner-friendly. Section 4. Types of investments. Not all stocks are the same. Show categories appearing. Main types. Individual stocks. ETFs, bundles of stocks. Index funds. For beginners, ETFs and index funds are often safer. Show diversified portfolio animation. Section 5. The power of compounding. Compounding is the biggest advantage. Show money growing exponentially. Money earns returns. Then those returns earn more returns. Example. $10,000 at 8% annually doubles over time. Show exponential curve. Section 6. Risk versus reward. Higher returns come with risk. Show balance scale. Stock prices go up and down. But long-term investors focus on growth over time. Diversification reduces risk. Show multiple stocks balancing losses. Section 7. Dollar cost averaging. A simple strategy for beginners. Show regular investing timeline. Invest a fixed amount regularly. Example. $200 every month. This reduces risk of timing the market. Section 8. Long-term mindset. Time is the biggest advantage. Show clock moving forward with rising chart. Short-term changes don't matter as much. Long-term growth builds wealth. Patience is key. Section 9. Avoid common mistakes. Beginners often make simple mistakes. Show warning icons. Avoid. Investing based on hype. Panic selling. Trying to time the market. Stay consistent and disciplined. Bonus tips. Tip 1. Start small. Even $50 to $100 is enough to begin. Tip 2. Stay consistent. Regular investing beats perfect timing. Show steady growth line. Tip 3. Reinvest profits. Let compounding work faster. Tip 4. Think long-term. Wealth is built over years, not days. The stock market isn't just for experts. It's for anyone willing to start. Show beginner turning into confident investor. Because in the end, investing is simple. Start early. Stay consistent. Let time do the work. And once that mindset is in place, everything starts to feel less complicated. Investing stops being about guessing and becomes about following a simple system. Show chaotic charts turning into clean upward trend. Let's talk about something beginners often misunderstand. You don't need a lot of money to start. Show small amount growing into big amount. Even small investments can grow over time. Example: $100 per month invested consistently can turn into thousands. The key is not the amount. It's consistency. Now imagine increasing that amount slowly. Show monthly investment increasing step by step. As income grows, invest a little more. Stay consistent. Let compounding accelerate. This is how portfolios grow faster over time. Another important concept is diversification. Show multiple sectors: tech, healthcare, energy. Instead of putting money into one stock, spread it across different industries. This reduces risk and stabilizes growth. Then comes emotional control. Show market dropping then recovering. Markets will go down sometimes. That's normal. But panic selling is where most beginners lose money. Successful investors stay calm and think long-term. There's also a hidden advantage many overlook: dividends. Show money being paid regularly. Some companies pay regular income just for holding their stock. This creates a second income stream. And when reinvested, it speeds up growth. Now combine everything: consistent investing, diversification, long-term mindset, reinvesting profits. Show all elements merging into one system. This becomes a simple but powerful strategy. Over time, something interesting happens. The portfolio starts growing faster. Show slow growth turning into rapid increase. At first, progress feels slow. But later, growth becomes exponential. That's the power of compounding. And eventually, investments can start generating income on their own. Show passive income notifications appearing. At that point, money is no longer just saved. It's working continuously. This is how beginners turn into long-term investors. Not through complex strategies, but through simple habits repeated over time, and in the end, it all comes down to one simple decision. To start. Show empty charts slowly beginning to rise. Because the stock market isn't about timing the perfect moment. It's about time in the market. The earlier the start, the more time investments have to grow. Most people wait. They wait for more money, more knowledge, the perfect opportunity. Show person standing still while chart moves up without them. But while waiting, time passes. And time is the most valuable asset in investing. Those who build wealth don't wait for perfect conditions. They start small. They stay consistent. And they let compounding do the work. Show small investment growing into large portfolio. Over time, that consistency turns into a growing portfolio, passive income, financial security. Show portfolio dashboard increasing steadily. So the real question is not, is stock market investing worth it? The real question is, when will the first investment be made? Because every dollar invested today is a step toward future freedom. Show final text: start small. Stay consistent. Grow wealth. The path is simple. Start early. Invest regularly. Stay patient. And let time turn small investments into something powerful.